Welcome to the Art Chick channel. Today we're using unicorn spit again, and I'm going to be remaking this top. So I've tipped a cabinet upside down and actually took the bottom half and repainted it something totally different. And this, when I tipped it upside down to like move it around the room, I found out that it's kind of neat. It's still a usable cabinet. I wasn't even going to use the top. But I am going to make a shelf, and then I can put all my plants there. And so you'll see how I did the shelf. And then at the end, I have some pictures with it up. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day, guys. I have another video where I take time and teach you how to wood burn if you've never done it before. And so this is kind of a sped up version. Just because I do have that other video out there, feel free to check that out. But I kind of just go really quickly with this part. And then on to the next. If you feel like you've over-torched like this spot here, you could go back with a sander. I just hand sanded it. I don't know, it was medium grit. Didn't really pay attention. And just get any of those little extra spots that you see. I got the edges you'll see coming up. And another small spot. But just get any little part before you start your project. In the very beginning, it's going to seem a little bit overwhelming if you haven't done it before. But I follow the grain, and you know what? I don't follow exactly right, but follow where you think it should be. And if you make a little mistake, just go back over it. Another color right beside it, that also helps. You'll see that coming up. But anything, as long as you're going kind of looking like grain, at the end it'll all come together. Especially when you seal it.